MC. So, good morning to everyone. I am very happy to share with you about the story of our keynote speaker for today year 2024. So, please listen very well, especially to our dear graduates and to each and everyone. Our guest speaker is not new to us, but he is a proud of UHA. On February 44, 1989, a handsome baby boy was born. Very good, yes. His father is a carver and his mother is a farmer. They help one another to support their family with 6 children. They were able to let them go to school with much sacrifices to provide their financial needs for their education. So at the age of 6, he started studying here at UHA Elementary School. He is a good pupil to his teacher and classmates. He has no bad records until he finished elementary in 2002 with high grades and as a salutatorian during graduation. He continued his studies for the secondary level at Goham National High School. He sacrifices going to school by fighting in the morning and also in the afternoon. He was so interested to go to school, so he finished the secondary level year 2006. And in order to pursue his college level, he went to the University of Caldera, Baguio City, and finished a degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology in the year 2009. And for his eligibilities, he was able to pass the licensure examination for Criminology April 2010. He also passed the National Police Commission Entrance Examination, NAPOLCOM, on May 2010. Another is he passed the police officer examination on October 2015, and also the senior police officer examination on April 2017. So those are his eligibilities. He finished his master in public administration year 2015, and he also finished his master of science in criminal justice year 2023 at Taguig City University. And currently, he is taking up his Doctor of Philosophy in Criminal Justice Education, major in Criminology at the University of Cagayan Valley. So while working, he continued studying to upgrade himself for a higher and higher position. Regarding his works experiences, he was able to be in the service year 2015 as an Ordnance Supply Police non-commissioned officer and became a beat patroller in 2016. Next, a traffic investigator in 2016 to 2020. And then a drafter, legal researcher 2020. And currently, he is the traffic investigator at the Vehicular Traffic Investigation Unit at Taguig City. So, to add more knowledge, he attended 11 trainings and seminars like PSIS and many more to equip himself. By his effort and dedication to his work, he was able to receive many awards such as Medalya ng Kasanayan, Medalya ng Papuri, Medalya ng Kadakilaan, Medalya ng Kagalingan, Medalya ng Pagtulong sa Nasalanta, Medalya ng Paglilingkod laban sa kriminalidad, Medalya ng Pagkilala, Medalya ng Ugnayang Pampulisya at Sapa ng Natatanging Unit. After a few years in the service, he planned to build his own family. So his only girlfriend from college and officer course working together in Manila got married. She is Kimberly Licyayo from Gohang, Banawi, Ifugao, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Romeo Licyayo, the retired police, and they were blessed with 4 children. The name of our guest came from the name of Don Felipe Agoncillo Encarnacion, who achieved the title of Outstanding Filipino Diplomat, ending the Spanish-American War in 1898. The mother, Purita Motwa Magide, is fond of reading history books, so he chooses this great Filipino leader for her child to follow. And her husband, Lito Magide, agreed for it. So all their children's name taken from the history. Their motto is patience is the key to success, that they learn from elementary and let their children follow to be patient in their studies no matter what problems they will encounter. So this is all about our guest speaker for today. So now I am very proud to present to you our guest of honor and speaker, Police Master Sergeant Agoncillo Motwa Magide, and a certified security profession, Master in Public Administration, and Master of Science in Criminal Justice. So maraming title.
So, thank you. Our day pagama, talagang research kasi yung mami gusto. So, magaling mawag ako. So, pasensya kayo, medyo reaction na yung humawak ni Mike. So, kapag kaya ni tumakdog ito sa ngwanan, no? Tapos tigom ito niligid, kita wala nung bariwan na, adi umathandi gitin kobe. So hindi ran natin na nauna to kay ako. So bago natin umpisahan, ay nais ko pong batiin sa representative ng F8, Sir Padawan po, Sir. You are head school principal teacher ng Taguig Elementary School. Sir Will Duglog. Sir, maraming salamat sa paggabay sa mga aral dito sa bayan ng ating Sinilangan. At sa kanyang mga staff, sila Ma'am Yolanda, Ma'am Gano, Ma'am Mabili. So, salamat din sa ako po yung napili upang sa ganoon ay magbigay o magpamahagi ng kaunting experience kung paano natin hamunin itong mga masisipag na magsisipag tapos ngayon. Tatawa ba? Masisipag ba kayo kaya kayo nagtapos? Kailangan talaga ang pag-aaral ay hindi mawala yung masipag. So, nakiunaan mo, proud parents, especially to the graduates, congratulations. Congrats. So, ito yung school nga, Uha Elementary School. Ito ang nundugi. Taong 1996. Actually, si Ma'am Rene, my former teacher in kinder, ito pa lang yung school kami ito maruntog. At hindi ko makalimutan ang kwento niya. Pagdating daw sa Burangon at Himongki, kung ano din nanghabak Buktiran or Marathon. Inilayuan kung sino nanghabak Marathon. Himongki or Hiterter. Kwento ni Mami, naalala ko napitan niya ko kanina. Marathon ang umpisa na ito, di starting line, ay finish line niya bilit. So, abuton di Tinalgo. Wala kang ito ang graduate siya, mga nina nga ba? Marathon Himongki or Hiterter? Butian. Nga nina nga ba? Ha? Hindi na gaya mama. O ito ang kwento. So, pwede ako Tinalgo. So, sabi ni Ibagat Mungki. Pinamon na si Hiterter. Pinawanan niya lang. Sige nga. Umpisahan natin ang marathon kung sinong mananalo. So, inugi dato. Ngayon, malalak na nga, yung istorya ko lang, medyo tumatak sa utak ko Kaya medyo nabanggit ko, nilapitan mo ako So ngayon, inugi na kayo nagsapa, pintik ng luwa. Si automatic na naaduyan na rago si Terter. So ngayon, ito naman si Terter, dili-dilis ko lang. Sige, kahit kelbot ako ng kelbot, di ako magpapahinga. Abutan kita rin, sabi. Ay, pagkatitingan di Pirit, so aras 12 mo, ito yung mongki, nakatigo ng mapapod na kayo. So, nakatigo ng hapang. Ana, itong tugyak ko na ito. Kaya adawin mo na Terter, baka wahdi pa ang murugdugi. Again, nila, mga arif ko yung mongki, ay Terter. Wahdi ang guru ginuyok na yung limas. So, inakuha na, nanginangin. Ngayon, hindi ko yung mongki, yung batangan mo, made mo, wahdi na yung Terter ang nanginangin. Nari ko nga, hindi ko na rin na, yung media, hindi mo kagyan na naabutan. So, yun ang nabak kaya ang kami, Terter. Pwede ba rin, ma'am? Yun ang kwento mo, kaya naalala ko. So, tingom, nawala ako sa manang, tingom ito na buwang, kaya talagang awag yung manumnom mo. So, ganun pa ma'am, si Ma'am Layla, si Ma'am Yolanda, pasalamat din ako sa kanila at ako'y tinext nakarang April. So, medyo napaisip ako. Ako pala ang napili nila. So, last time actually, this is my second time around to invite as one of the guests of honor.
Brown out
Wadi rasta.
Okay, tuloy na. Medyo nag-break siguro. Sabi na mag-lobat. So ngayon, sabi ni ma'am, nag-text ako ng 2 last April. Tapos baka sabi ka, sige niya, i-graph natin yan. Kasi bigmet-bigmet kayo hindi humapitan daw, hindi kayo itong kakaanakan or ibabalin niya amod. Huwag natin ipagkait kung anong naranasan natin dito. No? So pagdating sa pag-aaral, itong sasabihin ko sa inyo, kailangan masipag. Wala namang ibang gagawin. Kailangan meron kang katatagan. Kaya, ang tinatawag yan ay perseverance at siyempre sipag. bakit tayo masipag? Una-una, masipag tayong pumasok sa school. Sumunod sa maniribugan tatuin teacher, manirib paadda, maki-assignment, or activity, or maki-cooperate ako, maki-cooperate kayo. Yun lang naman ang diskarte ng pag-aaral. At dapat, dito sa elementary, alam ko naman nagawa nyo, kailangan sanayon yung sarili na pumasok. Ulay medyo balon niya. Tinumingang galit ng medyo balon, medyo tamtamadon na, medyo adi ka pumasok. Diba? Kailangan ulay medyo diye, dapat ma-challenge ka. Kaya hindi pong luglugian. Inganahi, umayanhi, high school. So dapat hinintak yun na, at na kayo, 15, 16, buuin nyo na buuin nyo na mag-graduate kayo pagdating ni high school. Pasok lang ng pasok, simple pumasok sa school, hindi yung pasok ka mamaya, pasok kayo sa gilid, pag-uwi nyo, nag-dismiss kayo. Kaya nirandihan mo nyo, pumasok kayo sa school. Ang gigaya niya. Yung mga diskarte ng ibang mga school nga di pumasok. At ang hapay, siyempre maki-operate kayo sa loob ng eskwelahan. Kasi doon kayo mahahasa. Hingga na umay kayo bumpulihin nyo. Dapat at hindi ato nyo. Kasi minsan sa pag-aaral kasi, minsan may nahigat di ambod, talagang medyo kayo ka matamlay na Kung di tanongin nyo, mas mapahit yung time namin. Kasi yung guhang na yan, natanggang mo, kaya kang galanon. Uli yung balon mo. Diba? Pero, hindi ako nga nakarit. Dala-dala ko ito, mga natutuhin na elementary school. Yun lang, wala naman bang aton. Kundi, pasok lang ng pasok sa school. Tumunod, marunong lang sumunod sa teacher, nung anili paatda. Kasi din teacher ako, namigmit na itutudang ng kapodang. Yun nga lang, tiwada kahit no ato. Kailangan marunong kang din sumunod. Yun yung lagi kong atak sa akin. Kaya hanggang sa college, dala-dala ko yun. Kahit walang allowance, papasok sa school na wala, pero ay suray, diba? Ganun yung talaga ang buhay ng mga aral. Hindi lang gatuin ma'am ko, sir, no, kasi dito ko yung kanya-kanyang experience. Kaya lang sinishare ko nung anedi naranasan. Tapno waday pangitigan yung kuma. Tapno matumpang di anedi kanya-kanya yung pangarap. Dapat natuan ni waday pangarap niya, waday plano ng mga pangarap niyo. Ha? Gana may? Yo? Kailangan dito meron. Para mapaghandaan pa lang. No? Tama ba? At kanon din, kasi at ito, dahil lang yung halimbawa ng ading unit lang. Kakil mga ipang pangulo no pangitiganda wadi ading yo iti ko dakila kaya tigaminin nat manong ko so wala doon da kayo tatlo makapas ka ko nung anininig pas na mamanong yo so hindi yan ang met at ngayon pagdating ng sa college din kaya isipin nyo prepare ang gagana doon. Tuition din lang baybayan na. Ano di ba ko siya? Yan, salamat kay Sir Padayon. Meron niyang sinabi na libre. Tama ba, Sir? Libre sa college. Libre pa lang pag-aaral ko. Huwag natin sayangin. Bihirang dumating yan. Isang beses lang. Kaya ngayon pa lang, napagkahandaan nyo yung mga pangarap nyo. Sayang. May libre pa, hindi tulad namin. Kada sem, may bayad. Present sa amin. tatlong buwan, kailangan magbayad ka. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, na-survive in 3 years. So, sa UC kasi 13. Sa ibang eskwelahan, 4 na taon. So, yun ang tandaan nyo. Kailangan masipag, meron kang tiyaga, at marunong sumunod. Yun lang naman. Yun ang ni-apply ko sa sarili ko. Kaya sa ngayon, kung ano ang naninabot ko, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil hindi niya ako pinabayaan. So, yun lang naman ang aking laging payo at yun din ang pinapayo ko sa mga sumusunod sa akin. So, once again, graduates, thank you for nakatungtong kayo at sana tuloy-tuloy yung pag-aaral nyo hanggang sa high school at 3rd year. Ay, college. Okay, thank you ha. At salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin. Next year ako magsalita, pero at least may laman mo. Kayo na lang ang mintindi.
Thank you very much for that very inspiring message from our guest speaker.